So what is your name?
Robert Thompson.
So, Mr. Robert Thompson. And how old are you now?
101.
Chat Jamaican visited the community of Bethsalem in St. Elizabeth to speak with Mr. Robert Thompson, who recently celebrated his 101 birthday. He was born in the year 1919. Mas Rob is very active, supported by the community, and will now share his experiences.
Come and chat with Tania.
101 years old, and what I am going to do is just to get some of his life experiences and have a conversation with him, what it is like to be 101 and still being strong. So what is your name?
Robert Thompson.
So, Mr. Robert Thompson. And how old are you now?
101.
You were grown up in Bethsalem?
Yeah, man.
So as a young man growing up in Bethsalem, what are the differences that you're seeing now than back in the days?
Well, there's enough things I go on now, you know.
Tell me, what was it like growing up?
Well, when I grew up, you know, I work, do farming, plant food, raise goat, hog, and all the other things there.
So give me a story from back in the days.
A story.
Yes.
Well, music play, I'm going to dance.
You know, have dance back in the days?
Yeah, man.
What kind of dance?
Quadrille.
A quadrille?
Yeah. We have round set.
Round set?
Yeah. Guitar. Banjo. Room box, them days there.
Alright, so I used to go to dance,
Yeah,
and that was the type of dance I used to do back then.
Right.
Okay, what else? What about the food?
The food. If we have rent a savings, cocoa.
So you have any special dish, any special type of food when you used to eat in them times?
No, white yam.
What kind of meat, salting it used to be?
We have pork.
Pork?
That the hog.
How you used to do the pork?
Kill the hog. And enjoy the fire.
What else? What kind of meat?
And kill goat. Sometimes kill goat.
You no grow the goat on yourself?
Yeah, man.
Okay. How about the young people them nowadays to your type of young people in your days?
Why? The young people to me days, they can't get 3 days.
What that mean?
Them are teeth, them are use gun and teeth man, they are bad man, them are play, you know.
Oh, so them are young people are then turned bad man.
And them no go like 3 days.
Wow, how no grow in a few no days?
3 days we go and behave ourselves.
Oh, and at least to no parents.
Right.
Okay. How your parents did stay? How they grow you?
The parents grow me. You know, I'm a good man. Anything we do, they flag me.
How they use a flag on you?
Well, we wanna put on lick for me.
What they use to put on the lick?
Sometimes you strap and sometimes you stick.
How fat the stick did be?
Yeah.
Any stick?
I go like that, like my finger.
Okay. And how the lick did feel those times?
You know, hot man?
When you used to go to river?
Yes, man.
What was the experience? Which river?
Nanny.
Where you find Nanny River? Oh, so what you used to do? Go into groups, what?
No, that's on the day, you know, all 4 or 5 we don't go bed, you know.
And then on a swim and come back home. Back in those days, you had electricity?
No, sir.
So how you manage without the light?
You lamp.
Backlight.
But I got going there.
Backlight.
And lamp, what kind of lamp they had?
Backlight.
No, man, lamp.
No man, a lamp. Remember he said lamp, you know.
So now, yeah. So many lights that then the candles can make
Tinny.
lamp.
Tinny? What kind of one in tinny?
Can can milk? When the milk is coming, I can scan.
Can.
I don't know.
Where?
And how no get the light in the condensed can?
It should be right now.
Oh, so now you used to use tin light?
Yeah.
I put cock in it.
Cock.
Okay. Okay.
I feel then that.
So you used to climb tree and all of those things?
Yes, man. Man, keep up on climbing that tree.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Share some of the experience.
Climb tree, permit all your time. Permit. Pick coconut tree, pick coconut.
So that's the pimento and the coconut.
We used to. Yes, man. Yeah, keep up permit.
So how does it feel to be 101 and living in the community? You feel good?
Yeah, man.
So how do people treat you all these years?
Then treat me good, man. Live. Then treat me good, man.
Okay.
They're still planting garden and weeding.
So you still plant food and stuff like that?
Gungo.
You plant gungo, so you have gungo now?
No, man, gungo the child growing up.
Oh.
And they weeding yard.
I'm weed up my yard.
Okay. So you weed your yard now?
Yeah, man.
So how strong you is? Let's stand up, let me see how strong you look. But you're fit, man. Wow, let me see. Oh.
Only I feel a pain around there, you know.
You feel a little bit of pain around there?
Yes, I have pain around there.
Oh, okay. So you're strong.
Like the soursop juice.
So who made the soursop juice for you?
No, no me.
Tell me how you make your soursop juice.
Yeah, me know. Just I do know. Got me pot me mug man and me keep your and put it in there and squeeze it until you get all the juice. Throw me milk in there and me sugar.
And then you drink it.
Yeah, man.
So it tastes nice.
Yes, man.
So you keep you strong right throughout. Alright. So Parcel, what you know about Mas Bob?
Well, I mean, when you come and they cook here, like Mr. Arthur, I just have first know him.
Oh, the first time I know him. So wait, the Mas Bob, you know me?
Yeah, man.
What you know about me?
You say you go with Kevin.
I'm just telling Bob.
You know, me tell me. Me don't know.
Oh, so you know Miss Clemmy? Tell me something about Miss Clemmy now.
Oh, me go and Miss Kevin yard.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So she was a good woman.
What? Yeah, man.
Okay.
Bye.
Alright. Take care.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, guys. So I just I just spoke to Robert Thompson, and he has been here in the community for years. He's 101 years old, and he was just sharing some of his experiences with me, and it was great to see that he could. You told me about quadrille, right?
Yeah.
Tell me about quadrille and all those type of dances that he had back in those days. So that was eye-opening experience, and it's an opportunity to see him, to meet with him, and while he celebrates his 101 on this earth, I just want to be grateful for the opportunity to discuss with him. All right, so thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. So bye. All right.